Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So in today's video I will be installing the front ashtray with the cigarette lighter. Now the ashtray that I had in this car was broken and the cigarette lighter wasn't working. Now I ordered this ashtray from eBay last week. I got it delivered yesterday, and once I got it delivered I got it out of the box and gave it a nice clean because it was a bit filthy. Now that it's all clean and everything, it's ready to go in. So here it is. Once I'm done installing the ashtray, we'll quickly go and just talk about this plug and play Bluetooth, which is a pretty cool thing to have if your car doesn't have a Bluetooth. So yeah, let's get this ashtray fitted on first and then we can talk about the Bluetooth. So I've already removed the old one. It just sits with two screws, one here and one there, and then two clips that holds underneath. Let's go ahead and let's install the ashtray. Let's secure this wire using this. Secure this other wire. This needs securing as well. So that should be good enough for now. That's plugged in. Why is it not working? So the light is working, but as you can see, this light is not coming on, so that means for some reason the cigarette lighter isn't working. Right, we might have to take the fuse and see if the fuse needs changing. Here's the update. I tried to install the cigarette lighter. It's installed now. Possibly could be the fuse. So I googled it, what fuse it's gonna be. Fuse number 28, and it should have 30 amps. So this is the power of Google. Some extra fuse with me here. Let's get the fuses out. 30. So I got the fuse here, number 30. So I will just quickly pop up the hood, try to replace the fuse. Hopefully the cigarette lighter should work. Before I do that, I need to make sure the key is out of the ignition. The hood is up. This is where the fuse box is. It's out. So according to Google, it's showing it's 28. 25 in there. Now it needs a 30 amp fuse. So I got it here. Let's replace this. So let's go and check if it works. Yeah, it's working. So it was a blown up fuse. There you go. Now we plug this in and yes, it works. See? My connections and everything was fine out here. So the main reason why it wasn't working is because it has a blown up fuse, and for some reason it has fuse 25. Anyways, I replaced the fuse and the cigarette lighter is working now. Sweet. Now let's go wrap this out. Let's get the screw in. Let's get the cigarette lighter back on. Oh, this goes in here. Get the screw in. For the screw, I will be using a PH2. It's one of this. So let's go and install this thing. So let's put this back on. Done. So that's been installed. Right, now it looks complete. Yeah, the light is on and it's working. Sweet. Let's plug in my phone, and yeah, I know I got this as a wallpaper. Right, so there you go. The phone is charging and it's all good. So yeah guys, that's how easy it is to install a front ashtray and a cigarette lighter on a BMW E30. Now in my case, when I've tried to do the connection first time, the cigarette lighter wasn't working. This is because one of the fuse was blown up. So what I did was I quickly checked on Google which one it is, and in this case it was, the location was 28 on the fuse box, and it had a 30 amp. So for some reason it had 25 before, so I quickly swapped it over with the 30 amp on the location 28, and yeah, it's all working now. So before I close up this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about this. And this is another reason why I really wanted the cigarette lighter to work, because in my car I haven't actually got a Bluetooth system. I do have a CD player and a radio, but this is pretty handy. So what you do is basically you plug this into your cigarette lighter and it works as a Bluetooth, and in that way you can play music from your phone. This is a really good alternate from installing a whole Bluetooth system or probably getting a whole stereo with Bluetooth system. It's pretty cheap, only cost you like £8 or £10 in eBay. So the way it works is you plug this into your cigarette lighter. Now whatever it shows here on the number, in my case it shows as 89.9, so you select that onto your radio and that's it, and that's how you can connect to your Bluetooth. It's very easy. So it's all connected, so I'm playing it via Bluetooth. Anyways, that's it for today. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have, just make sure to press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you for my future videos.
I want him to love me like he love pop. But I live in New York, show to tell you I'm local. When the plan is to put the love, so come give me a hug. Again, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need.